Hello everyone, this is FeelGood of FeelGood Gunpla back with another third-party review. This one is, hopefully I'm saying the name right, Xingheng from Star Eternal. This is a mech-like kit that actually caught my eye, and I said why not. And this actually comes with a metal frame in kind of like two modes. One mode is black and white, not black, well, some parts are black. I would say black, white, and dark gray with the glowing parts being orange. And then as you see here, once the backpack attaches, it becomes like more of a red and white kit with the glowing parts being green. Now, from what I get, this is like a limited edition, meaning that I forgot which armor is the white and gray or the red and white. It's like an extra, and if you didn't get it a certain time, you just had one to two. But, you know, it's all good. So you can go with either one or the other, or I've seen people do half and half. I'm going to go with the red and white because I just like that one better. Even though I've seen the half and half builds and they're all pretty good. All right, here's the box. It's a big box, big box. And as far as I checked before I did this video because I always check my kits to see if they ain't broken anything before I do a review. Make sure everything all right. There's some more illustrations. I'll try to get them up close with not so much glare. Should be showing those. Yep, it is. There's those two modes. And I think this is the same on the other side. Then another picture. All right, let's see what's in the box. All right, here is the builder's manual / illustrations. One of the better instruction building manuals. Good coloration here. You see the other mode, which is that white and gray and black I was talking about with the orange glowing parts. This is the one I would be building. Now, for some reason, with this manual, it came with like some extra like pages. Like I looked here and none was missing here, but it just had this extra page here. Maybe just mine just had this extra page stuck in it. Anyone in the comments saying, can y'all tell me if y'all had the same problem where there was an extra page just put in y'all manual? Mine it was, and none is missing here because I checked, but I just thought that was a little weird. Maybe it's that other mode. They just threw it in there. I don't know. Of course, here it shows the different gates that come with it. A lot of stuff come with this kit. A lot of stuff. Now, kind of, I'm trying to think. I think it's like the real grade kits, I think. I don't know if the Vercar come with this, but you'll see through the kit, you see like these highlighted purple areas for key spots to pay attention to. If you can see them. I always like that. That helps you kind of focus on stuff / points of importance you need to pay attention to. I like how they do that to this. Very nice. Of course, here you have your sticker. Let me see if I'm looking at it right. Yeah. Your sticker manual where to apply the decal stickers. I don't know what this is, honestly. It's in a different language. I don't know that. This is like QR codes you can scan. But here's that. Very nice manual. First up is the end gate. Look like we got a couple of feet parts and all the armor parts. Okay, correction. These are runners, in runner. I always mess these up. I do apologize. Here's the M runner. More red parts. Here's the F gate. It's the light gray parts. Here's the C gate. Looks kind of like an off-white. Here we are. This is the E runner. I don't know why I keep calling gate. E runner. This is gonna be a thing, I guess. Apologies. E runner. There are two of them. I'm thinking it might be something that goes on, these parts here might be something to go on the backpack. I'll find out as I build it. All right, here is the N runner. Say, here's the dark black parts, I believe. And of course, there are two of these. Okay, now we are getting into some of the interesting parts. We got the K runner here, translucent green part. All right, this is the P gate. This is some more translucent green parts, shield, I guess gun, beam rifle parts, cannon parts. I'm thinking this is like the blade. Okay, this is the K part, but this is the, of course, the orange translucent gate of that. This is going to be the part most likely I will not use because I'm going to be building the red and white one, and it has translucent green parts. All right, another version of the P runner, except of course it's orange. Of course I will not be using this gate just like the other because I'll be using the other mode. All right, we have the O runner here, some yellow parts. H runner, that'd be the V fin, or as in Gunpla we'll call it the V fin. All right, this is the G3 runner. Look like we got some waist parts, armor, and some, I think it's maybe the back part, back armor. All right, this is the G1 runner. Two of them. This is the R runner. Here's the A runner. Usually in the Gunpla stuff, this is like a multicolored runner. The A runner is usually the multicolored one, but in this case, it's all gray. Here is the B runner. Of course, there are two of them. All right, this is the S runner. I have two of them. And from what I can see here, look like some gun parts and the backpack binder parts. Here is the D runner. Two of them. Like more of the white armor parts, probably upper body, lower, arms. May have something to go in the backpack. Strangely with this runner, it doesn't really have a letter that I can see, but from what I can tell, this is parts of the stand that come with it. This one's the DT2 runner, more stand parts. This is the U runner. Sorry about the noise, train going by. Now there are two runners. However, the second runner is a little different and it has the V runner attached to it, which I can't remember if I ever built a kit that was like that. Here's that second U runner that I was talking about, which I'm looking at it now. It's identical to the other one. It's not different, it's identical. I guess when I looked at the V runner connected to it, it looks different, but this part's the same as the other one. You have your small V runner here. So there's your V runner gate there, very tiny gate. All right, here is your I runner. X runner. G run runner. There are two of these. And they look like some of them are feet parts. I think this is the runner that goes more for the white and gray mode before the backpack's attached. Although I've seen pictures with the backpack and it's attached to it and it stays gray and white. But I know in their promotion video, once that backpack attached to the kit, it changed to red and white. So yeah. All right, this is the DT1 runner. From what I can see, this is actually part of the main base, which I will show in a minute, but they just didn't attach it on there. I like the texture here. Here's the main base right here, very nice, very sturdy. I'm starting to like some of these bases, stands that come in with some of these third-party kits. They're starting to look a little better than what the Bandai kits come up with, you know. I'm just saying. Now, correct me in the comment section below if that's not true. Or, you know, your opinion, what you think about some of these stands that come with these third-party kits. So far, these stands have been doing pretty good. You know, they're not the greatest thing in the world, but at the same time, they work, and they work well, and they're made of very good material. All right, this bag contains the decals plus the foil. I didn't take these out because right now I'm just a little nervous about losing stuff, so I'm just being a little more cautious. So I do apologize. I do apologize about the glare. All right, now this here is a collection of screws and batteries that come with this kit. I'm so happy that this do come with some batteries because usually you buy these separately, these batteries. I did it before for one kit. Anyway, you got some batteries here, plus got a few bags, just like 3 bags, I think, that come with different screws that go in the kit. Very nice. All right, this is the J runner. I'm thinking some of this stuff goes, I think the lower part goes in the waist and the top part goes in the head. I'm not 100%, but there we go. Tiny little runner. Here's another small runner, the L runner. I think that goes into the backpack. I'm not 100%. All right, here's T runner. There are two. G2 runner. All right, this is the S2 runner. These are the fist armor plates, if I'm looking at this right. All right, this is the S1 runner. Look like we got the hands, fingers, you know, for holding different weapons and assisting with poses. Quite a few. Now, in this box, you can hear that metal? It's the metal frame of this kit. Now, I'm going to try to set up a shot where I can kind of show the parts a little bit better on the table here. I do apologize if it's not the best shot. But all right, here we go. This is all of the metal parts that come with this frame. Oops, sorry. See if I can do a little zoom in on it. Very nice. Very nice. Very shiny. And one thing I like about these, I always like to do these a little bit to the metal parts, which is, you're going to think this is kind of silly, but nothing like the sound of metal. But yes, this is the metal frame. Very nice. Very excited to finally be able to build one. Wish me luck. All right, this is everything that came with this kit. I am very thrilled and excited to build this kit, especially with the metal frame in it. Considering what I paid for it, I think I got a very good deal on it with the metal frame and effect parts and extra armors. And it's definitely, I think, it's going to be a very good building experience with this kit. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I appreciate everyone taking the time out today to watch my videos. I really appreciate it and it means a lot. And I wish everyone a good day. Later.